Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to show you how to change Facebook page URL name. But before anything else, please subscribe to this channel if you want more tips and tricks just like this. So the first thing you need to do is open your Facebook app. So let's go to your Facebook app right here. And then on your profile, you need to go to the bottom right corner to the menu. Now on this list, the first thing you just have to find is the settings and privacy, which is the one right here. So tap on it and it will show a drop down. And then on that drop down, tap on settings, which is right here. Now we're going to be taking advantage of the search button right here. So on the top right corner, as you can see the magnifying glass here, tap on it and then type on username. So the first option here is username, so tap on it. And then it will automatically direct you to edit username, which is going to be similar to your Facebook URL. So now change your username on what desired name you want. And then when you're finished, hit done and then tap done on the bottom here. And then that is it. So when people try to search you using the Facebook browser or a browser typing facebook.com/the username you have written, it will go directly to your page. And that is it. So hope this video have helped you, and that is all. Thanks for watching.